Okay, hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. Right now the time is around 10:30 at the morning and today's video will be based on the fog lamp. Yes, I have installed the fog lamp. Only the thing I have to do is I have to do the wiring of the bike. तो वही करने के लिए अभी जा रहा हूँ मैं शॉप पे. वैसे तो वायरिंग पूरी सिंपल ही है बट मुझे रिस्क नहीं लेना था. दैट्स द रीज़न आई एम गोइंग टू द आउटसाइड शॉप. And also the light I have purchased, it's an Indian brand. I have already fitted the light but I will not show you now. So I have to do only the wiring part, which I should have do but I don't want it to because अगर कुछ गलत वायरिंग हो गया तो बाद में there are chances to light get short. Although I have the warranty for the light because I have ordered the Autofy fog lamp. So if you didn't follow me on Instagram, then do follow me on Instagram because I post all my photos over there, and also while riding I post my updates. Okay, so here is the shop. Wiring. Okay, I got this light from the Amazon for around 806 rupees. I got it for offer, so that's why I got the 200 rupees discount. So now the actual cost of this fog light is around 999 rupees on the Amazon. So instead of going for those Chinese product, I will recommend you to go for this product. This product also comes with the 6 month of warranty. So these are the Autofy fog lights. So it's a 18 watt one fog light. So it gets a 6 LEDs. And this is the frame which I have done by myself. I will show you the design will be coming on the screen. So if you want to do this with your bike, then it will be helpful for you. So yeah, something like this the frame is looking. I hope you get the idea. So I am showing this because in case you want to fit these lights on your bike, if you own a KTM Duke 200 old model, I will not show you how bright the lights are now because there is no point it showing at the daytime. So it's a night or evening, whatever you call it. So now I will show you the high beam of my bike. So this is the high beam of my bike. So the reason I came in so dark because of, so you will get the proper idea about the lights, how powerful it is. So I will switch on the lights now. So this is how it's looking. So now I will switch on the high beam. So this is the fog light with high beam. So this is the fog light with low beam, the fog light with high beam, fog light with low beam, and this is just a fog light. So this how it makes a difference. I hope you got the idea about it. So I will show you the lights from front. So yeah, these are only the fog lights which is on. I hope you're getting the idea how bright they are. So if you are riding on the highways at night time, then this will be really helpful for you. So I hope you like my today's video, and if you like, then do hit the subscribe button and also click on the notification icon so you will get notified whenever I upload a video.